You can see people behind me, those are not Indians. Bamboo bridge that where you have to reach.
Hi guys, I'm Nishi. I'm a travel vlogger. In part 5 of my Meghalaya series, I visited Shnong Padang, where I spent a day boating
Amazing.
and living among villagers,
You have to use these public
experience Meghalayan culture. Before watching the video guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications.
Hi guys, good morning, and my today's plan is first of all I'm trying to go for Moring Khang bamboo track, which is very famous and very dangerous, and secondly on the way I'll see Latvian Grand Canyon, and further I'll be heading to Shillong, and there is curfew all the way. Still I did not get my internet services, so it's like phone is like dead for me and I'm not able to do any booking further. So let's see if everything gets clear up. So I just wish that I reach Shillong safely by the evening. So right now I just left my room and I'm going for my breakfast and waiting for my taxi. So guys, I'm in Dauki and this is the same Ungot river that I showed you in Shnong Padang. If you see this part of the river, this goes to India and this is counted in India. But if you see this side of the river, this is Bangladesh side. So this river actually separates both the countries. So guys, I think if you can see people behind me, those are not Indians, those are Bangladeshis. And if you see a black board behind me, it is written, do not cross the border. This side it is India and that side it is Bangladesh. So this is the border between India and Bangladesh. And if you see that side, so that side, that is the camp, that is the security force for Bangladesh, and this side, this is Indian security force. So guys, this is so amazing that people are separated. There is no border, that is virtually we are being separated. So guys, can you see a goat behind me? She is allowed to cross the border, but we are not allowed. That is so strange for me.
ये सरहदें ही तो हैं जो हमें दूर रखती हैं, नहीं तो वो भी इंसान ही हैं हमारी तरह। अब मेरी नेक्स्ट मोस्ट अवेटेड डेस्टिनेशन की ओर चलते हैं, द मोस्ट एडवेंचरस एंड डेंजरस ट्रैक इन मेघालय, मोरिंग खांग बैम्बू ट्रैक। लूम का भी ये पहली बार था इस ट्रैक पे, तो हम लोगों से पूछते पूछते किसी तरह फाइनली पहुंच गए।
I started my journey for Moring Khang track and I don't know how much time it's going to take. We'll try to wind up it early. It's already 12 o'clock and our taxi driver Lum is also accompanying me because he is also a first timer here, so he's trying with me, and we have also taken a guide. One more thing, the entry fee for per person is 50 rupees. There is a river that we have to cross, and there are bamboo bridge that where you have to reach, and that is the viewpoint there. There are no proper stairs guys, so be careful while walking. So guys, our guide told us that people do farming here of the village. They do farming here of pineapple, orange and bananas. Here comes the river guys that you have to cross before hiking up to the bamboo bridge. It's a very clean water, you know, you can see everything, whatever is there below. It's very clean water and people use it for drinking as well. So guys, this is the construction going on for homestays. So next day, if you would be lucky, then you can stay here. It's already very dangerous guys because there are no fences along any path from starting till the end. Just Stefan, and he is the only guide, very helpful, and he will tell you, will guide the path throughout. Slowly, slowly. This is crazy guys. See the path. Be very, very careful. as adventure, guys. Such small way, guys, but I have to cross. Something I would like to tell you about this guide is wherever he saw any kind of stones or wood or anything placed in the path, because of which tourists can have problem or they can, get stuck into some problem or can get hurt, he's removing all those things on the way. So he's a very nice person, very good human being. 1 minute to Bamboo Bridge. Very tiring. Keep yourself hydrated. That is the house of our guide, and he daily travels this much that he still can. This is the scariest part, guys. Guys, this is the Morning Khang viewpoint, and if you see there behind, that is a stone, and that is the king of stones, and it is single stone that is the biggest. So my next journey from the viewpoint till there is hardly 10 minutes, but again, scary. Such narrow space, guys. I have to barely squeeze in myself. The bamboo is saving me, really. Top of the king of stones, Morning Khang. So guys, it took me like 1.5 hours to hike up. It was really very scary, so have guts if you really want to do it, and it's really, the view is worth all the efforts you have done. And now it's time to go down. The long hike down starts now, guys. It's very tiring, but I have to do it. Narrowest space, guys. Very difficult to get out. Finally. So guys, the time of the track that you can do is 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and you have to come with him because there is a gate that he has to open. If the gate is not open, you cannot complete the track on your own.
I love his honesty, and for his hard work, I have to reward him. And he was so happy that he gave me his blessings. What else is needed in this life? So guys, चलते हैं मेरी next destination की ओर. Before reaching Shillong, I have to cover Lathlum Grand Canyon.
So guys, it's 5 o'clock and I have reached to Lathlum Grand Canyon here, but I think it's foggy. It should not be, but I think today it's very cloudy here. So let's see if I'm able to see something here. This is the viewpoint, guys. It's sunny, but it's all covered. The sun is all covered by clouds. I don't think so I can see something, but if I would be able to show you, I don't think so. If it's the back, at my back, it's something is visible, and it's very nice view if clouds are not there. You would be amazed to see so many hills here, and the canyon is very nice. let's see if you would be able to see something out of it. But it was very nice, and whole Meghalaya I loved every part of it wherever I went. And if you want to get info about whichever places I'll go, I give you every info. You can leave in the comment section, or you can message me on my Instagram. I'll try to answer whenever I get time. Guys, now I'm going back to Shillong because tomorrow is my flight, and that is the nearest. I have to then take taxi tomorrow from here to Guwahati, and I have to head back. So before that, let's say keeping my fingers crossed, because from 4 days there is no internet services in whole Meghalaya, and there is curfew everywhere, and after 6 p.m. they're not allowing anybody to move around anywhere. So let's see if I'll get some nice hotel and safe hotel, and I'll have some dinner also because I'm very hungry. Because of the track I was not able to eat bloody anything. Okay, Loon, bye bye. Thank you very much for everything. God bless you. And he's a very nice person, guys. Whenever you come to Shillong or Meghalaya, he will help you in every way he can. So guys, this is my trip and Meghalaya, and I'm still in Shillong, and there is curfew, so I have to leave on time from here, searching for taxi. And please, if you like my channel, if you like my vlogs, I'm really working hard on it, and I try to show you everything. I try to tell you everything through the vlogs so that you can have an itinerary, and I'll also make a video on how to plan a trip for Meghalaya. So if you like my channel, please do like, share, comment and subscribe, because that gives me a motivation. Thank you so much. God bless you all.